All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way by far to record your screen and the internal audio on your Chromebook, okay? Now, the thing is, there's a few things to keep in mind. It's so easy to do this way. Now, I just searched it, record screen Chromebook, okay, and I'm looking at all these, and they don't include the internal audio because most of them don't. So you don't actually get the audio or the sound coming from the computer. So watch this very quickly. I'm just going to play this quickly.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record with audio on your Chromebook.
Now, did you notice you heard him in the video and you're hearing me speaking? That's because I'm doing this with Podsplice. Now, the way he's doing it and all these other videos here are they show you how to record your screen, and the audio they're talking about is the microphone audio, not the internal or system audio. Those mean the same thing. Internal audio is for Mac users, system audio is for everybody else, but it's the same thing. It's the sound coming from your computer screen or your browser tab, the computer sound. So like if you play a YouTube video, it's the sound like this guy.
So if you want to record your screen as well.
So that's the internal audio. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the best way. And Podsplice, what it does is it records everything in separate tracks. So you get your microphone sound in one track, so you can edit that separately. You get the internal or system audio in another track. I could record my face along as well, but I just decided not to right now. But I could use my webcam, get that on a track, and then the visual of what's on the screen. And the other thing with Chromebook is you don't want to download anything because Chromebooks are very lightweight. You don't want any of the processing taking up your taking up the computer resources. You want it running right in the browser, right in the tab. So very quickly, and this is great for teachers too. If you're making lessons, teachers pay teachers. Sometimes you do want the computer sound and you want everything in high quality. You don't want these like free garbage tools. And Podsplice is very affordable. It's only $15 a month, and you can do so many things with it. But watch this. You go to podsplice.com. This is all that you'd have to do. You'd sign up. I'm already logged in, right? And if I click start new recording, watch this, overdub. So you can see my face there recording. I click overdub, and then I just go entire screen. I click this and I make sure I go also share system audio, and I just toggle this on, and then I'm recording, right? And I would press share. I don't want to do that. And then you can see here, it's not highlighted yet, but then there's a record button. So I just press record. That's what I'm doing here. Okay. You can see me there recording. So like I'm just using my webcam. You can see in the corner that I'm speaking into this. So I could play this as well as a different track. All right. So I'm just going to close this, but that's all you have to do. So there's no, and you don't have to do this just on a Chromebook because it's working in the browser, right? So if I shut everything here, you can see all the junk on my desktop, right? You can go anywhere in your screen, get any sound, and then your mic. So if you're let's say you're doing like a math lesson, right, for your class, I'll just type in math lesson, and maybe this is your own lesson, or you want to talk over a lesson and you want to just talk about some of it. So all you'd have to do is just like click on the video. Okay. Full screen.
Two equals what? The answer isn't known until you go ahead and do the arithmetic.
Right. So then you can pause it anytime. You can edit over top of this. You can comment on it, the whole thing. And it just runs so quickly and so smoothly because it's right in the browser. So teachers who are making lessons like this just absolutely love this. They don't have to waste any of their time, figuring out stuff, downloading like virtual cables and, download this, switch this setting, do this, do that. And, oh, this might work or not. You're wasting your weekends. You're wasting your after school. And just with Podsplice, you can make all your lessons on your Chromebook, MacBook, whatever. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing the Chromebook because it's even more important. And also, if it's locked, right? Like if your Chromebook, you can't download or use certain things because, it's part of the school or the school board. With this, you're just online, so you're on a website. It's not going to be blocked, so you don't have to worry about any like it's getting locked or I can't use it feature. And then at the end, once you have all your tracks recorded, you just click one button and Podsplice splices it all together, timestamps it, you just get one finished video, and it's really, really good quality. That's what I'm using now to record this. So that's how you do it on your Chromebook. And hope you like this video. Hope you start using it, and we'll see you in the next video.